Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to fix bad data points in data in Origin. For example, here I have plotted sin x against x, and we know that the curve of sine function is a uniform increasing curve passing to a maximum and then uniformly decreasing to certain minimum. But in this case, here are 2 points that disturb the monoticity of the decreasing monoticity of the plot. And these are the bad data points, one this point and the other this point. And I want to adjust this in the data such that the monotonic decrease of the plot is retrieved. So we want to adjust these 2 points such that the monotonic decrease of the plot or the uniformity of the plot is retrieved. This is quite easy. First, you need to click on any data point to select the plot, and now it is selected. And then I come to Data tab, and then I come down to select most data points. This message comes in. You just need to click yes and then click OK. And now I select the data point, I click on the data point so that it is selected, and the crosshair shows that the data point is selected, and then I press the left button on my mouse to select it and drag it down such that it shows some uniformity with the previous data. I put it at an equidistance point from the upper point, and then I come to this one point, and here again I click on the point so that the cross hairline are on the point, and then again I press the left button on my mouse and start dragging the point up so that it is equidistant between the 2 points. Adjust the data too. Once this is done, you need to press the enter button on your keyboard to get out of the selection mode, and I press it, and now you see the 2 bad points is perfectly adjusted in the data. So this way you can move the bad points to structure the data in an acceptable way. And thanks for watching.